Welcome to our CSS tutorial series for beginners. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with CSS and create stunning web designs. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some basic knowledge, this series will help you level up your CSS skill. So without getting late, let's dive right in. So the first question arises, what is CSS? CSS refers to cascading style sheets. It is used to style HTML web pages. CSS or cascading style sheets is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of document written in HTML. It controls how web pages look and feel, including the layout, color, font, and other visual element. Let me give you an example through which you can understand CSS better. So if you can see this image, this is the image in which we have only HTML elements. Okay, now I will show you one image which is this. You can see this image is HTML with CSS. So you can see how the visuals of image has been changed, right? So basically HTML is the skeleton or structure of a web page, and CSS provides muscle or meat and bones to that skeleton. Before diving deep into the CSS, the prerequisite for this tutorial is choose any editor of your choice. I will use VS Code for this tutorial. You should have basic understanding of HTML. If you don't know the HTML, I will put my HTML tutorial video link in the description. You can go through it and then you can start with the CSS. In this series, we will cover the basic of CSS, including selectors, colors, box model, list styles, display floats, flexbox, grid layout, media queries, these things. By the end of this series, you will be able to style your own web pages and create visually appealing designs. So that's it for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Thanks for watching.